All right, you made it to assignment number 5. You're almost done. Assignment number 5 is called Elimination Strategies. So this is a tool to help you get that first step of systems of equations with elimination. All right, so it asks which of these strategies would eliminate a variable in the system of equations, and you're supposed to choose all of the answers that apply. That means sometimes more than one of them is the correct answer. All right, so you might have to pick like A and B, or B and C. It's not just one. All right, so if I'm doing this first one, I want to check which one of these will make a variable eliminate. So the first one it gives me is try adding the equations. So if I add these equations right now, negative x and 7x would be 6x. 6y and negative 1y would be 5y. So just looking at that, nothing eliminates. So this one is not an option. I'm going to erase that work. All right, that one didn't work. Let's try the next one. The next one says multiply the top equation by 7 and then add. Okay, so if I multiply this whole equation by 7, that would be negative x times 7 would be negative 7x. 6y times 7 would be 42y. And 8 times 7 would be 56. And then I just bring this same equation over. 7x minus y, my bad, minus y equals negative 2. So it says multiply by 7 and then add. So if I add these, oh, look at that. These variables right here will be eliminated. So that one works. If I do negative 7x plus 7x, they're going to cancel. So B is one of the options. All right, but I don't want to just say B and then check because sometimes there's more than one. So it's definitely B, but it could also be C. So let's double check. So for C, let me just erase all this with my fun eraser. C says multiply the bottom equation by 6 and then subtract. Okay, so if I multiply this one times 6, I would get 7x times 6 is 42x. Negative y times 6 would be negative 6y. And negative 2 times 6 would be negative 12. If I bring this one over, that would be negative x plus 6y equals 8. Now you got to be very careful with this one because this says subtract the bottom equation from the top one. If it said add, then we'd be good because if I add these 6y and negative 6y, I would cancel. If I subtract these right now, negative x minus 42x would be negative 43. 6y minus a negative 6y would actually be 12y. And then 8 minus negative 12 would be 20. So if I subtract, like it asks, nothing's going to eliminate. Right? So this one is just B, not A or C. So you just click it and hit check. Ba-ding! All right, good luck on this one, guys. You're going to kill it.